Good morning, namaste. My name is Manamata. My experiment is floating and sinking. We need 2 glasses, 2 lemons, water and salt. First we will put water in a glass. Now we put a lemon in a glass. Now you can see lemon is a sinking. That we take another glass, put water, 2 tablespoons salt, now we put lemon in a glass. Now you can see lemon is a flow. My conclusion is salt increases weight of water and lemon flow.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Zakir Mehta. I study in third beta. My experiment is watercolor changing. We need transparent glass, washing powder, turmeric powder, water and lemon juice. Now I will put water in glass. Now I will add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Now you can see watercolor change it in yellow color. Now I will add 1 tablespoon washing powder. You can see watercolor change it yellow to red. Now I will add lemon juice and water. You can see watercolor change it again red to yellow. So the conclusion of this experiment, turmeric is a natural indicator and a lemon is acid. So turmeric does not change color in acid. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. First we have to take a plate. Then we have to take a glass. Then we have to put vinegar. Then we have to put baking powder, baking soda. Now watch the reaction. ये और उबल रहा है. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Morning all of you. My name is Shripona from Tharigama. Today my experiment is bubble inside. So we need vim, water, sugar and straw. So first we will put sugar in water, 2 spoons, and then we will put vim. Now we will mix it. And then now we will put here some Vim water. And then we will take a straw and Vim water. And then done. Thank you. Bye. Good morning all of you. My name is Sripona from Tharigama. Today my experiment is bubble inside. So we need Vim, water, sugar and straw. So first we will put sugar in water, 2 spoons, and then we will put Vim. Now we will mix it. And then now we will put here some Vim water. And then we will take a straw and Vim water. And then done. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Hansita. I am studying in 3rd beta. My experiment is on density. Take 1 glass normal water, 1 glass salt water, 1 glass half salt water, half normal water. Take 3 lemons, put it in each glass. In normal water, lemon goes down. In salt water, lemon floats. In 3rd glass of water, lemon floats in middle. Conclusion. In 1st glass of lemon, the density is more than normal water, so goes down. In glass, lemon density is less than salt water, so floats.
Friends, today we will learn about density of water. For this, we require 2 glasses of water, 2 lemon, some salt and a spoon for stirring it. In first glass, you can see this water is there. In first glass, we will put a lemon. You can see it is sinking. In second glass, we will put some salt and then stir it. Then we will put lemon in that. You can see it is floating. Because of that, it is the density of water is higher than the density of lemon, and in this glass, and the density of lemon is higher than the water's density. Bye.
From 3rd Alpha Himalaya House. Today I will do balloon experiment. The things are used in the experiment: vinegar, baking soda and 1 balloon. First I will mix some baking soda in the vinegar. It will take some time. And when the soda will mix in that balloon, the balloon will blow. Why the balloon blow? Because the gas comes up and the balloon blows. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Share Himansha from Tharigama Himalaya House. Today my topic is density of water.
For this, first we take 2 glass of water, some salt and 2 lemons. Then I put 1 lemon in glass of 1 and see, it is sink. Then I put some salt in glass of second and I mix it properly. Again one time because 2 times. Okay. Then I mixing properly. Then I mix. Then I keep again 1 lemon in second glass. See, it is floating. It is the density of water is higher and density of water is lower. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Shlok Singh. My science experiment topic is drinking candle. The materials required: plate, matchbox, food color, transparent glass, and water and candle. First, pour some water in glass. Add some food color and mix it well. And put the candle of the center of a plate. Now cover the candle with the glass. Now see, water is going up in the glass. Thank you.